Crash course on Sweden. Local cuisine, cultural festivals and traditions. Welcome to Sweden, a country with a rich culinary heritage and vibrant cultural celebrations. Let's embark on a journey to explore the traditional dishes, unique culinary experiences, and the festive traditions that make Sweden a fascinating destination. Sweden's cuisine is influenced by its natural resources, with an emphasis on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Some traditional dishes that are sure to excite your taste buds include 1. Swedish meatballs, Köttbullar, tender meatballs made from a mix of beef and pork, served with creamy gravy and lingonberry sauce. 2. Smörgåsbord, a buffet-style meal with a wide variety of dishes, including herring, gravlax, cheese, and traditional bread. 3. Gravad Lax, dill-cured salmon, thinly sliced and often served with mustard sauce. 4. Räksmörgås, open-faced shrimp sandwiches topped with egg, lettuce, and mayonnaise. 5. Surströmming, fermented Baltic herring, considered one of the world's smelliest foods, but a must-try for the adventurous. 6. Princess cake, prinsesstårta, a beautiful green cake filled with layers of sponge cake, custard, and whipped cream, topped with marzipan. 7. Semla, a sweet bun filled with almond paste and whipped cream, traditionally enjoyed on Fat Tuesday. Now, let's dive into the vibrant cultural festivals and traditions that take place in Sweden. 1. Midsummer's Eve, Midsummer, celebrated during the summer solstice. This joyous festival includes dancing around the maypole, enjoying traditional foods, and embracing the magic of the longest day of the year. 2. Lucia Day, on December 13th, young girls dress in white gowns with candles on their heads, commemorating Saint Lucia, the bearer of light. 3. Crayfish Party, Kraftskiva, during late summer, Swedes gather to feast on crayfish, singing songs and wearing colorful paper hats. 4. Walpurgis Night, Valborgsmässoafton, on April 30th, Swedes welcome spring with bonfires and festivities. 5. Nobel Prize Ceremony, a prestigious event in Stockholm, where laureates receive their Nobel Prizes in various categories. 6. Dala Horse Parades. The Dala Horse, a symbol of Sweden, is celebrated in parades and festivals across the country. Now, let's explore the top 12 attractions of local cuisine, cultural festivals, and traditions in Sweden. 1. Stockholm's Old Town, Gamla Stan. Immerse yourself in the charming historic district and its traditional eateries. 2. Skansen Open Air Museum. Experience the essence of Swedish traditions and festivals in this living museum. 3. Göteborgsvarvet, one of the world's largest half-marathons, held annually in Gothenburg. 4. The Ice Hotel in Jukkasjärvi. Witness the magical ice sculptures and experience the northern lights in the winter wonderland. 5. St. Lucia Procession. Attend a beautiful Lucia procession in any major city or town in Sweden. 6. Swedish National Day. Celebrate with the locals on June 6, a day of national pride and festivities. 7. Stockholm Food Tour. Embark on a culinary adventure through the city's food markets and restaurants. 8. Malmö Festival. Join one of Scandinavia's largest city festivals with music, food, and cultural events. 9. Viking history in Visby. Explore the medieval town of Visby on the island of Gotland, once a major Viking trading center. 10. Smörgåsbord experience. Indulge in a traditional Swedish smörgåsbord at a local restaurant. 11. Surströmming Festival. Experience the infamous fermented herring festival in the coastal towns of Sweden. 12. Drottningholm Palace Theatre. Attend an opera or ballet performance in a stunning 18th-century theatre. Summary. Sweden's culinary delights and cultural festivities offer a rich tapestry of flavors and experiences. From the savory Swedish meatballs to the enchanting Midsummer's Eve celebrations, every moment in Sweden is a unique and unforgettable experience. Immerse yourself in the traditions, explore the stunning attractions, and savor the tastes of this captivating Scandinavian nation. Poem. In Sweden's lands of beauty rare, where traditions light the air. Cuisine rich, flavors divine. A feast of tastes that intertwine. Midsummer's dance, 'neath sun's embrace. St. Lucia's light adorns the race. A crayfish party's joyous song. In festive revelry, we belong. Skansens living tales of old. Göteborgsvervets run untold. The ice hotel's enchanting grace. In Jukasjärvi, dreams embrace. The Dalla horse, a symbol true. In parades, a sight to view. Stockholm's charm and festivals grand. Malmö's joy across the land. Viking history's epic tale. Surströmming's pungent, bold and hale. Drottningholm's theatre fair. A stage for dreams beyond compare. Sweden's heart, a vibrant beat. In customs, flavors, moments sweet. Embrace this land, its culture, light. In Sweden's arms, a wondrous flight. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Booking.com referral link. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.